Use the leaves of this plant to help you against wrinkles, acne, dark spots and sun allergies. Unfortunately, the real and ugly truth is that we've all experienced skin problems at some point in our lives. Yes, we've all experienced skin problems like wrinkles, dark spots, blemishes, skin allergies, etc. The good thing is that many people use expensive cosmetic products to treat these skin problems. But the bad thing is that not all can afford these expensive products. And sometimes, these cosmetic products won't provide the desired effects. So, why wasting too much money on these cosmetic products, when you can get even better effects with this natural homemade cream? And you just need 2 simple ingredients, lemon and parsley. Just take a look at this video and find out more about this. As we said, this homemade cream of parsley leaves and lemon or apple cider vinegar will help you to whiten your skin and clean your face of dark spots and freckles, and your skin will look much healthier. Parsley contains 2 types of unusual components that provide unique health benefits. The first type is volatile oil components including myristicin, limonene, eugenol, and alpha-theogen. The second type is flavonoids including apion, apigenin, crisoreol, and luteolin. You should also know that this super healthy herb is loaded with many antioxidant vitamins. Fresh herb leaves are also rich in many essential vitamins such as pantothenic acid vitamin B5, riboflavin vitamin B2, niacin vitamin B3, pyridoxine vitamin B6 and thiamine vitamin B1. The health benefits of lemon are due to its many nourishing elements, such as vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin E, folate, niacin, thiamine, riboflavin, pantothenic acid, iron, magnesium, potassium, zinc, phosphorus, etc. Lemon is a fruit that contains flavonoids, which are composites that contain antioxidant and cancer-fighting properties. It helps to prevent diabetes, constipation, high blood pressure, fever, indigestion, and many other problems, as well as improving the skin, hair, and teeth. You will need the following ingredients: 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley leaves, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice or apple cider vinegar, 200 ml of water. Directions: it's very simple. First, you should put the water on the stove to boil. Add the chopped parsley and let it simmer for 15 minutes. After that, remove it from the fire and leave it to cool down. When it's cool enough, add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice or apple cider vinegar. Pour it in a glass container and keep it in the fridge. How to use it? Make sure you use this cream every morning and evening. This homemade will help you clean and close the pores on your face, and it also cleans and whitens the skin. As we said, make sure you use it every day. And in just 1 month, you'll be amazed by the results. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you and have a good one. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends and family. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.